Hello, Unanimous Friends and TPC. Annyeong! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne. For today's video is a short tutorial video how to upgrade your account from silver to gold account. Insurance habang nagbebenta ng loan worth up to 200,000 accident and medical assistance. Ano ang dapat natin tandaan sa pag-upgrade ng ating account at ano ang gagamitin nating keywords sa pag-upgrade nito? At magkano ba ang pag-upgrade nito from silver to gold account? Ito ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. But before we start, don't forget to like and share and click the subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! So let's start now! Unanimous Friends and Petition, upgrading your account from silver to gold, magkano nga ba? Amounting of 6,998 pesos, makakapag-upgrade ka na ng iyong account. The inclusion ng gold package natin, 128 activation credit for system user, earn as much as 24,000 by simply selling all the activation credits. 500 pesos direct referral bonus, 1,000 matching bonus, 1 paper bag, 1 marketing brochure, 1 tarpaulin, 10 telco product code guide, 10 ePins product code guide, and tangible products. And then, syempre, kasama dito ang Sterling Insurance worth up to 200,000 accident and medical assistance. Sa pag-upgrade ng gold account, meron itong safety net. So, ibig sabihin, in 24 hours, ang gold activation is magkakaroon lang tayo ng 20 activation. Ang first cycle natin mag-start ng 12:01 a.m. to 12 p.m. So, sa first cycle, sa buong team, kailangan ninyong mag-activate lang ng 10. And then, sa second cycle, another 10 from 12:01 p.m. to 12 midnight. In a total of 24 hours na 20. So, para maiwasan natin yung pagkaroon ng flash out, ang pag-activate ng gold natin is a team or a group or partnership para maiwasan natin ang pag-flash out. And make sure kung mag-upgrade kayo ng gold account ninyo, make sure na ipapaalam ninyo sa upline ninyo, sa city stock list, and mobile stocklist ninyo para maiwasan ang flash out ng team ninyo or ng upline ninyo para hindi ka naman maging selfish. Ano bang keyword ang gagamitin natin sa pag-upgrade ng ating account? So, type lang natin capital letter at gold, space, activation code, / username, and send natin sa gateway number. At ito ang example. Once na-save nyo na sa gateway number, so makaka-receive kayo ng message na katulad nito, account has been upgraded to gold, thank you. And then, after 24 hours, makaka-receive again kayo ng message mula kay TPC ng ganito. Insurance Gold TPC. Good morning ka TPC. Thank you for availing our gold insurance. Please do send the details needed. Complete name, occupation, age, birth date, complete address, and beneficiary. You can send it to our help desk and to our email tpctransactionlogs@gmail.com. Once nakapag-send kayo ng email kay TPC and then mag-send back ng email din again si TPC ng ganito na successful na na-receive nila ito. Petition and Unanimous Friends, ganun lang kadali ang mag-upgrade ng inyong account from silver to gold. But remember always, once na mag-upgrade kayo ng gold, make sure na maki-operate kayo sa upline ninyo sa mobile stocklist and city stocklist. So, Unanimous Friends and Petition, I hope na nagustuhan nyo ang ating short tutorial. So, don't forget to like, share, and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you, I promise. Until next video. Bye! Saranghae! I love you!